Hello. So in this video I am going to talk to you and share with you one way to avoid the dreaded artist hand. I draw with charcoal. I paint with paint. I draw with charcoal, and it can be a little bit of an issue. So here's how we avoid that. This wonderful thing, a Mahl stick. Now this is a Rosemary Mahl stick, and I'll put a link in the description, but you know, you could get a stick with a sock on the end and an elastic band. It's entirely up to you. You can get them like really big, and you can have them hooking over things and stuff like that. This is just a wonderful way to avoid you touching the paper. You put your Mahl stick on the board, or rest it on the paper. You use it as an anchor, and I haven't got my pencil with me. You just draw that way. Okay, so just a quick tip from me. Mahl stick with a bit on the end. All right, this is a Rosemary one. This is a present. It's lovely and I love it. But yeah, Mahl stick to help you avoid artist hand. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was informative. Have a wonderful day today, and whatever you do, make some art.